Hello tech enthusiasts and the Samsung family. Welcome to the Samsung Product Consultant channel. I am Murat. Today, I stand before you with an extraordinary device that is rewriting the standards in kitchen technology. A device poised to be not just a home appliance, but the ultimate command center of your kitchen. The Samsung Bespoke AI Home 4-door French door refrigerator, model code RM90F66CEWTR. As you know, on this channel, we don't just scratch the surface of these devices. We dive deep into the absolute finest details, from hardware architecture and cooling technologies to compressor structure and smart home integrations. Today, we are going to leave no stone unturned as we explore this 658-liter technological marvel in its pristine, clean, white finish. Sit back, and let's begin dissecting all the specifications of this new star of the smart kitchen era. Let's start with the exterior design and structural characteristics of the device. The RM90F66CEW fully embodies that premium, minimalist design language we've come to expect from the Bespoke series. The clean white color option brings incredible spaciousness and modern aesthetic appeal to any kitchen. Looking at the physical dimensions, it has a net width of 912 millimeters, a case height with hinge of 1,853 millimeters, and a net depth with door handle of 731 millimeters. Its substantial net weight of 157 kilograms is the greatest testament to the quality of its materials, the density of its insulation, and the sheer power of its internal hardware. The first engineering detail that will catch your eye in the design is the recessed door handles. From the outside, you are presented with a flawless, perfectly smooth surface. Furthermore, thanks to the auto open door technology located on the refrigerator compartment, a gentle touch is all it takes when your hands are full. The sensors automatically unlatch and pop the door open. This is a flawless touch that takes ergonomics to the absolute peak. Now, let's talk about the massive hardware that literally makes this device smart. The 9-inch AI home display seamlessly integrated into the top right door. This screen is not just an ordinary control panel or a digital clock. It is the fully fledged command center of your kitchen. Fully integrated into the SmartThings ecosystem, you can manage all other smart devices in your home directly from this 9-inch panel. The AI-powered food service inside utilizes deep learning algorithms to analyze your usage habits. Based on the ingredients in your fridge, it can offer you personalized recipes via the Bixby voice assistant. You no longer need to stress about what to cook. Your refrigerator plans it for you. Additionally, through the screen, you can monitor the device's real-time energy consumption and optimize temperature values with millimeter precision. When we move on to cooling performance, we see Samsung putting on an absolute innovation show here. At the heart of the device lies the AI inverter compressor. This compressor works with the highly efficient R600A refrigerant, striking a perfectly eco-friendly profile while delivering superior performance. The AI hybrid cooling technology learns your kitchen's ambient conditions and your specific door opening frequency. Activated via SmartThings, the AI precision cooling feature completely automates the defrost cycles based entirely on your habits. By managing this cycle during nighttime hours when the doors aren't frequently opened, it keeps the internal temperature consistently stable and homogeneous. In addition to this, thanks to the all-around cooling system, cold air is blown evenly to every single shelf through strategically placed air vents. The metal cooling plate located on the rear wall acts as a massive thermal shield. When you open the door, to counteract the warm air rushing in, this metal plate rapidly radiates the cold it has stored back into the interior, instantly compensating for any heat loss. Let's move on to the capacity and interior design details. This model is a colossal cooling center with a massive total net capacity of 658 liters. Of this, 403 liters are dedicated to the refrigerator compartment and 255 liters to the freezer. Looking inside, we see that the powerful LED interior lighting clearly illuminates even the furthest back corners. The refrigerator section features wide shelves, enclosed crisper compartments for maximum freshness, and multiple door bins. In the lower freezer compartments, you'll find shelves and enclosed drawers that keep everything perfectly organized. Sporting an ST Climate Class rating, the RM90F66CEW offers an incredible freezing capacity of exactly 12 kilograms in 24 hours. In crisis situations such as power outages, its thermal autonomy time is an impressive 8 hours. An absolute must-have for a premium French door refrigerator is innovative water and ice management. This device features a hidden beverage center, integrated into the inside left door, keeping it completely out of sight from the exterior. Operating with a direct plumbed water line connection, this system offers a highly hygienic structure that prevents external dust accumulation. In the bottom left freezer section, we see the dual auto ice maker technology. The device produces both standard cubed ice and smaller ice bites that chill your drinks much faster. With the special ice scoop included inside, you can grab your ice easily and hygienically. Thanks to its water-filtered system, your access to clean water is always guaranteed. Valuable followers, the energy and acoustic performance of a device with such high-end technical hardware is of vital importance. Despite its massive volume, the device sits in the E-energy class and consumes an average of only 364 kilowatt-hours of energy annually. But the truly revolutionary detail is its acoustic performance. The compressor operates at a mere 35 dBA noise level. This means it is almost impossible to hear the refrigerator running in your kitchen. It offers a literal whisper-quiet operation. At this point, I want to share a very critical update for those considering purchasing this device. As you may know, the warranty period for the digital inverter motor at the heart of this device changed in Turkey as of April 1, 2026, and is now updated to a full 10 years. Thanks to Samsung's unshakable confidence in its own engineering and hardware, you will have complete peace of mind for many years to come. To summarize, the Samsung RM90F66CEW is a flawless ecosystem device that transforms your kitchen into a digital hub with its 9-inch AI home screen and optimizes energy and food safety with its AI hybrid cooling system. This 658-liter technology base is designed for large families and those who seek an uncompromising experience in the kitchen. What do you think about this bespoke AI model? Do AI-supported kitchen technologies and the AI home screen catch your interest? Let's discuss the technical details down in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Samsung Product Consultant channel to be the first to hear about the newest products from an expert's perspective. I am Murat, and I'll see you in our next in-depth review video. Until then, take care.